Hey, it's Steve Hoven here. In this video, I want to keep it relatively short if I can, but I want to show you a list of penny stocks. Here's my ugly mug, and let's get to it. Okay, how to find the list? Go to pinksheets.com. This is a free service. I'm going to show you how to get a list of 9,000 different penny stocks, the symbols, the name, all of it. But pinksheets.com is where to go. And I'm going to show you exactly where to go once you're there. Let's move this over a little bit. Right here, OTC Company Search. We're going to want to click on that. And a site will come up, Advanced OTC Company Search. You can do a search. If you know the symbol, you could do a search there. Let's assume we don't know any symbols, we don't know any companies, and we just want a list of all the penny stocks, all the pink sheet stocks that are available. This will not include the companies that are listed on the big NASDAQ, like the capital markets and the bigger NASDAQ. It will not include New York Stock Exchange stocks, and it will not include American Stock Exchange stocks. So but this is for pink sheets, over-the-counter bulletin board stocks. We're going to want to click on the download all button right here, and this will download it into an Excel spreadsheet, which will come up here right there, and that gives you a list. Let me move this over here. It gives you a list of it gives you a list of 9,000 different stocks. It gives you the symbol, which is right here. Gives you the company name, gives you where it's quoted, pink sheets are duly quoted. Duly quoted means it's on bulletin board. Over to the right, which is out of this video screen, it gives you where the company is based. Could be locally in the US, or it could be out of the country, and so forth. And let's take a look at one of those stocks that I own, DFNS, which is listed here. It's actually number 2,388 on the list, DFNS, and we'll take a look at that here on Yahoo Finance in a minute. But let me show you exactly, just to show you that I'm not lying, that they do list 9,000 different stocks. This is the top of it here. This is, oops, let me move the screen over here a minute. This is OTC Securities as of Friday, October 17th, 2008. And let's move it back over here, the screen, and you can see they start with line number 5 for this particular company, and it goes to 9,000, which I'll show you here in a second. And 9,010. So you have over 9,000 symbols that they give you downloaded into an Excel spreadsheet, which you can then take and do your own research on. And I'll show you that here in a second on how I use to find the small stocks to buy that I feel are going up. I'm going to assume that you don't know anything about Yahoo Finance, so let's start from the beginning. I go to yahoo.com. I'm going to click on the Finance button, which is right there. I'm going to enter in the symbol DFNS, and I'm going to, with Yahoo Finance, they make you put a .ob if it's a bulletin board stock, which it is, so I'm going to just click on that. And Yahoo Finance has a lot of information. They give you the last trade. They give you, there's a chart here you can look at, volume, bid and ask currently for the stock, so forth. They give you income statement, balance sheet, cash flow, etc., all the headlines of the company, the quarterly reports, etc. Personally, I like to find companies that are actually businesses, that actually have revenue, hopefully earnings, etc. If you're just looking for story stocks, which are stocks just based on a good story from the company and just a pump deal, that's up to you. But this is what I use myself. Yahoo Finance has a ton of information, and this is what I use to find my own stocks. But let's take a look at my picks and what I do with it. Alright, this is my website, beforeitmoves.com. Again, beforeitmoves.com. You can't read this whole headline, but it says I made over 700% return in 14 months, and I'll show you exactly how I did it. And that's a true statement. I turned $500 into $4,000 in 14 months. And this site breaks down what I'm doing for my project. I have a stock doubling project, which I look for one stock to double every year. And if I can do that for 11 years, my $500 would turn into $1 million. And my first stock doubled in 4 months. My next stock doubled in about 4 months. Actually more than doubled. And so I only needed about a 55% return on my third stock, which I did. So in 14 months I had turned $500 into $4,000, and hopefully I'm on my way to $1 million. But if you want to follow along, you can do so. If you want to read the story, which I think is around 10 and 12 pages of exactly why I started it, how I started it, the other stocks that were in the running, etc., you can fill out your name and or just your email address here and get the free ebook. But check out Before It Moves. It's how I find stocks. There's a lot of testimonials here as well from people. There's a 60-day money-back guarantee. It's $4.95 to give it a try. You get 19 videos of exactly how I find stocks, the steps that I take to find them. And like I said, it's $4.95 5-day trial. If it's not for you, cancel. You'll get your $4.95 back. If it is for you, you'll be billed $27 a month for all my picks, all my videos, and all that information. And hopefully in a few years we're hitting $1 million together. But I hope the list of penny stocks video has helped you. Again, go to pinksheets.com and download all those pink sheets and bulletin board stocks, and you can do your research from there. But if you're looking for somebody to do some of the picks for you, check out beforeitmoves.com. I wish you every success in your trading, and have a great day.